a Miss to Mrs. box number 6 review. Hey guys, it's April and welcome back to my channel. So in case you guys haven't been following me for a long time, I did get engaged on April 1st. Yes, it was on April Fool's Day. No, it was not an April Fool's joke. So I did get engaged, so I have been ordering some Miss to Mrs. box subscriptions. This is box number 6, and so far they have been super amazing. I love them all. Unfortunately, my 6th box came like super late. Like I literally just got it today, and it's I think September 4th. So I got it really late. This was supposed to come like between the middle to end of August. Usually I get it around like the 15th-ish or even the 20th, but I definitely got this one late, and that's because my package got lost, so they had to resend me one. And I feel like this one like really got through a beating of some sort. Like I know that sometimes I'll get a box that has like a dent in it or something, or like a little hole in it like this, but this one really feels like it went through some like major trauma. Luckily everything inside the box is okay, so without further ado, let's just open it up and see what's inside. I also wanted to mention they did have to send me another box because the other one got lost. They did not charge me for a second box. They definitely like took the hit and just sent me a new one, which I really appreciated. Okay, so like usual, we have the Miss to Mrs. What's it called? Tissue paper with the little thank you sticker, and this is what it looked like when I opened it up. Pardon me, I accidentally left one of my wrappers in here from one of the products. So this is what it looks like when you open it up. So the first thing we have over here is kind of the little, what I like to call the spoiler alert of everything that you're getting. At the bottom it says that next month's box theme is maximum romance. I'm not sure if I'm gonna film that box or if I'm gonna film everything in it. I'm more of like a family friendly channel, so I don't know, I might just skip that box entirely. I'll have to see what's inside it. And then I also got these 2 cards. So this first one is an emergency bridal kit, and it just kind of tells you like the stuff that you should pack like for the day of or the week of your wedding or whatever. And then this is a wedding dresses and hairstyle, so you can kind of link up what kind of dress that you're wearing based on what kind of hairstyle that you're doing. My dress is strapless. Spoiler alert. I don't care if anybody knows that my dress is strapless. I'm not like really weird like that, but I have a strapless dress for my wedding. And it says that I should wear loose curls. It says if you have chosen a strapless or bustier dress, then you should choose to wear your hair down in loose curls for an all glam look, which I was thinking of doing, but I was thinking of bringing a little bit of my hair up, so not completely like half up, half down, but you know, something like this, because I just have so much hair. I feel like it's always in my face. So I was thinking of having just like a little bit of it up, but yes, I did want the loose long curls. So I'm really excited. I'm kind of on the right track for that. Okay, so the first item we have here is the Bridal Look Essentials Professional Makeup Brushes. So these are some makeup brushes. Basically, we have like a little contouring brush that you could use for blush or bronzer, and then a couple eyeshadow brushes, and then an eyeliner brush at the end. So let's just kind of open these up and see like what kind of quality these are. I'm really interested to see. Okay, so the first thing I noticed about the eye brushes is that they're really soft. I don't know if this brush is gonna be the best at blending. It doesn't have a lot of give. Like it definitely feels like it's like tugging my finger back when I'm trying to push the bristles down. This one should work. This is kind of like a pack it on kind of brush. I definitely said that before in another video. And then you could put like the eyeshadow like on your eyelid. And then this is an eyeliner brush, which you could use with like gel liner or even with eyeshadow, and this should work pretty good because it's just straight. All the bristles are intact, so that should work nicely for that. And then this is the blush or contour brush. The brushes actually are really soft. I think this would actually work really well for putting on blush and or bronzer or contouring your face in general. So I'm actually like really impressed with these. Up next, I also got a beauty sponge, which is really unfortunate because I just bought one. So this one has kind of like a rubbery texture. It feels like it's like hugging my fingertips, like almost like a sticky feeling. I'm not sure if that's like normal, but I do enjoy the shape of it. This is like my favorite shape of beauty blenders, is so I could use this part for under my eyes and this part for my foundation. So I probably will end up using that, but I just replaced mine recently actually, so I might not be using this one for a couple more months or whenever you're supposed to switch it out. Up next it has this little box. It's like a white box that says Miss to Mrs. on it. And inside is this beautiful like rose gold and gold makeup mirror. And it has a little picture of like a little diamond on it. Super cute. And so it is a mirror. So this is actually like really like heavy. I'm surprised. Besides it being crooked, maybe it's supposed to be crooked. I don't know. But besides it being crooked, it seems like really good quality. It kind of feels like the one that I have in my makeup box. So that's good. Up next, it came with Mana Kadar Beauty Iconic 1 pair of eyelashes and 1 eyelash glue. So this is what it looks like. I haven't used fake eyelashes in a hot minute or two, but these look good. They just don't look like the kind that I would use, but they do look a little bit plasticky, which might give it like a super fake look. I do like that it comes with the eyelash glue though, and I do like that these eyelashes are curled, because sometimes when lashes are too straight, they end up lifting up on the corners of your eyes really easily. These ones don't look like they're gonna do that, so I'll definitely try these out. Up next, I got this adorable little seashell kit. It's like holographic and it's so cute. And when you open it up, it has like an entire, what's it called, grooming set. So we have a little pair of scissors, a little nail clipper, I think this is like a glass file or something, like a nail file, and it even has rhinestones on it too. Also a pair of tweezers, and then a, what is this? I think this is used to push back your cuticles, but I'm not sure. So that's like super cute and perfect, because we are going on our co-ed bachelor/bachelorette party soon, so this will come in handy. Up next, this might be one of my favorite parts. It came with this little thing. It says Hair Couture Miss to Mrs. on it. And inside are some hair accessories, and these are what they look like. They have like pearls, and they're in the shape of flowers with like rhinestones on them, and they are so pretty, you guys. I really think that these would look nice in my hair. Oh my gosh, they're like so delicate and pretty, you guys. So they come on like this big bobby pin, and that's how you like shove them in your hair, like have your hair lady do it, but they're supposed to go like in between braids and stuff, and I think they just look so feminine and like beautiful. Ugh, I'm so excited. This is like making me really excited. For a while I've been like really stressed out about the wedding and stuff. Like, I don't know, like it's just like everything is like so crazy. Like I really didn't know that like planning a wedding could be like so stressful. I really thought I was gonna like enjoy every single part, but there are some parts where I'm like, oh my gosh, like this is a lot. Like I remember, this is like a really funny like side note story. By the way, I am wearing a necklace that I got from my first Miss to Mrs. box. Side note story before I get on with the very last item in the box. Brian and I, when we like booked our venue, there's like a couple meetings that you have to go to like once you book your venue to like figure out things, because like our venue is providing like the food, like we just have to like pay for it per person and all that good stuff, and they're also providing like the chairs and tables. We just need to tell them how many and if we want like a chair upgrade, etc, etc. Anyways, so one of the questions was like, how do you guys want your napkins folded? And like in my head I'm like, is this like a joke? Like, don't they just like fold them? Like, I don't know, like as long as it's folded. Like I'm okay. So other side note, all my bridesmaids and everybody that I pretty much know has told me I've been like a super chill bride. Like I'm not like super stickler about anything. I'm just like, as long as you guys show up, you guys are wearing like the right color of shoes. You don't have to even wear matching shoes. I don't care if you go out and buy new shoes or old shoes. Like I don't care. Like do your hair however you want. Like as long as you're happy, I don't care. You know, type of thing. Like everybody's like, April, you're so chill. You're almost like too chill. I made Brian pick out how to fold the napkins, because I'm just like, this is like crazy. Like you get asked some questions that like you don't even think about when you first get engaged. Like I never thought that I was gonna, I know it sounds so silly, but like I never thought that I was gonna be asked like how to fold napkins. And I tell the story to everybody finds it hilarious, but I'm like, I just didn't know that there's like so incredibly much that goes into wedding planning, you know what I mean? Like I just couldn't believe that there's like different options. I just thought maybe they had like the one option and that's how it is, you know? So like I was just like, oh my gosh, like this is crazy. Like there's just so much. So this is like really nice getting these little like, it's almost like surprise boxes every month, you know, because it just helps you kind of like take your mind off all the stressful stuff. Anyways, enough of my rambling. So the next thing that I got is this eyeshadow palette. It is by Folk Aller, and it is eyeshadow FA-08, and it says 01 shadows, It's actually cruelty free, which is really nice to know. So I'm just gonna kind of open this up and see what it looks like. Okay, so this is what the container looks like. It's like a matte black with like some white writing on it that says Folklore. And then when you open it, these are the shades of eyeshadow in here. It's actually like a really pretty eyeshadow palette. I wasn't expecting it to have like such pretty colors. You have some like perfect fall colors, and then you have some like pinkish and brown colors. It's like a really pretty palette, kind of like, you know, all different kinds of looks that you can get out of it. So I'm actually really excited to try this out, and honestly, this is like really cute, and it's so compact and small, which I love. I feel like so many palettes are like so big. This is like really good for like on the go, which is like incredibly helpful for any bride to be. So yeah, that is everything that I got in this month's box. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. You guys are awesome. Let me know in the comments below if you guys are brides to be in the middle of all this planning. It's like craziness, but it's so much fun, and it's such an exciting time of your life. I totally understand everything. And thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a glamorous rest of your day. Bye!